Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace this. So first you have to remove this element, or this light assembly, by removing a little cover plate piece here and the two bolts, and then pulling this out, and I just undid the electric to make it easy. So you flip it around, and this one is the tail slash blinker. Same way, or not same way, but you're going to turn it a quarter turn to the left and pull the light bulb out, push and twist to remove. Then you would get a new one, and this is a 1257 as well as that one was, because this is a double element. It lights up as a it's your outer tail and the blinker, or not the blinker, outer tail and the brake light. Then you would you're gonna line it back up and turn it a quarter turn to the right, and that's how you replace that light bulb. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.